Have you ever opened YouTube and found the exact video you were thinking about? Almost like it read your mind? That's not luck and it's not magic. It's artificial intelligence, quietly working behind the scenes every time you press play. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide from the world of tomorrow. Today, we're unpacking a question a lot of people wonder. How does YouTube actually use AI to know what we want to watch? Every single time you watch, like, or even skip a video, YouTube's AI is taking notes. It studies your behavior, compares it with millions of other users, and predicts what you'll enjoy next. It's almost like having a friend who knows your movie taste, but on a global scale. Behind the scenes, the system is crunching an incredible number of signals. How long you watch before clicking away, which thumbnails you hover over, what you search for. Even whether you're watching on your phone, TV, or laptop. All of that data comes together to build a personalized playlist, tailored just for you. But it's not just about recommendations. AI also keeps the platform safe. Every minute, thousands of hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. No team of humans could ever review it all. So AI acts as the first guardrail, scanning videos for harmful or inappropriate content. If something looks suspicious, it gets flagged for human review. Think of AI as the fast filter and humans as the final decision makers. There's another way AI helps: accessibility. Ever turned on auto captions in a video? That's AI transcribing speech into text, almost instantly. And with auto translate, those captions can jump into dozens of languages. This means someone in Brazil, Japan, or Kenya can watch the same video and understand it in their own language. AI makes YouTube not just global, but connected. Now here's a fun one. What's the most eerily accurate video YouTube has ever recommended to you? Drop it in the comments, because we've all had that spooky moment when YouTube seems to know us a little too well. So here's the big takeaway. YouTube uses AI to do three powerful things: personalize your recommendations, protect the platform with moderation, and connect the world with captions and translations. And that's just scratching the surface of AI. Next time, we'll explore a big question. How does TikTok's algorithm use AI? So if you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell, because your learning journey is only getting started.